Hello friend, you opened the right video, because the next tutorial will show you how to easily clean headphones, velour ear-pads, cushions. Just do it yourself and get your headphones back to the way they used to look, saving you money and without buying new headphones or ear-pads. Today's client is very special Beyerdynamic MMX 300 premium gaming headset, which needs a refresh before the next online gaming stream. If you're interested in how the velour cushions differ from the leather earpads, then open the video in the description and check out our test results. But now it's time to clean those full over ear size velour earpads. For light fluff, the lint remover roller works well for removing debris, which will also try to remove any excess from the earpads. But this is easiest to do once the cushions themselves are removed. For most ear cushions, they can be removed simply by pulling on the inner edge with your index finger. Be warned that it is much easier to remove than to put them back on. Some of our viewers had to call the suicide hotline because of the struggle while putting them back on. Once both earpads are removed, it is time to remove the filters that protect the speakers from debris. These usually contain lots and lots of dirt. Take your grandfather's toothbrush and carefully brush off any debris that has gotten past the protective fabric. The main thing is not to push them to the speaker if you have open speakers. Then, with the same toothbrush, clean both protective lenses/filters, then the earpad cushions themselves. Clean everything you can with the brush, but don't forget to put the toothbrush back in the place which you took it from. The next step is to use a lint remover roller to remove what you couldn't get off with the toothbrush, neatly from all sides. These rollers are good at pulling out hair and other debris. Also need to clean the foam filters. Then, with a damp cloth, clean off any snot, earwax and other nasty stuff that has got on these foam filters. Don't forget to also clean the velour earpad cushions themselves. Clean each edge thoroughly, inside, outside, so that it's just right. Don't forget to rinse the cloth and repeat the steps. You can clean all the other parts and wipe the headphones themselves. Once you've done that, the hard part starts, putting them back together. The main thing is that when you put all the parts back together, they all should be dry. Put the foam filters back in. Put the retaining rings back in the place so nothing falls out. Do the same for other side. And now, the hard part. For some, this is the hardest thing they have ever done in their life. For others, it will take 2 minutes. Simply, hook the edge of the earpad behind the headphone body. Hold that part with your finger so it doesn't fall off and put the remaining edge in a circle on top. Hold each section of the overlapping edge and so go in a circle until the whole circle is overlapped. The earpad can be turned so that it sits nicely in place. Then do the same for other side. If you get it right, you're a superhuman. Because, for many, this has led to a suicide hotline. If this video inspired you to clean your headphones too, then post it in the comments or tag us on Instagram @TechScrews. As always, we would appreciate for you to like and subscribe, and meeting you in another good video. If you're still stuck at cleaning your headphones, feel free to post your problem in the comments and we'll solve it together.